A camping table provides a comfortable and convenient place to cook, eat, and play games. More importantly, a table makes a great central point for friends and family to gather and enjoy each other's company. A portable table is infinitely useful, but when you start the search for the perfect one. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best camping tables. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Lifetime Height Adjustable Craft Camping Table. The Lifetime Height Adjustable Craft Camping Table features a 48-inch x 24-inch molded tabletop with a round folding frame. This table has 3 adjustable height settings: 22-inch, 24-inch, 29-inch, and 36-inch, and comes with a 2-year limit. It's half the price and has a higher weight capacity of up to 200 pounds. It has an adjustable fold-in-half table as the perfect companion. From crafty creations at home to painting in a natural outdoor setting, this portable craft table is ready to go where you go. This table has 3 different height settings to accommodate your various needs and projects, and a stain-resistant surface, so it's easy to clean. The Lifetime table has the same surface at 4 feet by 2 feet. It also weighs a similar amount at right around 19 pounds. However, the legs are adjustable between 24 and 36 on the Lifetime folding table. Number 6. GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table. The GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table features a unique one-piece compact design. This table folds to half the size of other camp tables. When legs are extended, this is a great table for 2 or can be used as a side table. Lightweight, aluminum frame supports up to 60 pounds. This portable table folds up quickly and easily with its patent-pending squeeze telescoping technology for easy storage. It is ideal for camping, tailgating, fishing, sporting events, and other outdoor activities. The GCI Outdoor Table also has telescoping legs that help it stow compactly, and an aluminum tabletop effectively dissipates heat. It provides just enough room for one person to eat a meal unfolded. It could also be an extra side table to enhance your cook station. The GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table is a small table perfect for just one person. Number 5. Outsunny Portable Foldable Camping Picnic Table Set. The Outsunny Portable Foldable Camping Picnic Table Set folds down to the size of a suitcase so you can bring it with you on the go. This foldable picnic table set is connected to a fold, making setting up and taking down this picnic table a breeze. This outdoor folding table lets you stay cool and comfortable while you sit. It includes a built-in 1-inch diameter umbrella hole in the center of the table that can fit most umbrellas so you can stay cool in the shade. These portable tables and chairs can be used for serving food, playing games, creating arts and crafts, or simply sitting and enjoying the scenery with family and friends. Its durable aluminum alloy body and plastic fold-out seat tops are sturdy and lightweight. The 4-person set folds into a 33-inch by 15-inch case, complete with a carrying handle. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station Folding Table. The GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station Folding Table is perfect for your tailgate or camping adventure. It is designed with patent-pending slim fold technology and sets up and breaks down easily with a hassle-free one-piece design. It features an extended aluminum countertop, a lower rack for storage, 3 side tables, a telescoping lantern pole, and a soft-shell sink with a drain that collapses when the unit is folded up. It folds flat and includes a carry handle for transporting it to and from the fun. Its heat-resistant aluminum countertop provides space for a camp stove, a lower rack for dry goods storage, and a collapsible soft-shell sink with a drain for dishes. It has a vast surface area that measures 56 inches long, 22 inches wide, and a height of 32 inches. It includes bonus features such as extra shelving, a paper towel holder, an overhead hanger, and even a spot to keep your cups. Number 3. Cuisinart CFGS 222 Take-Along Grill Stand. The Cuisinart CFGS 222 Take-Along Grill Stand folds flat and amp. Comes with a carrying strap, making it easy to bring along to your next cookout adventure. It unfolds in less than a minute and has 2 side trays with 6 cup holders and 8 hooks for your grilling tools. The storage shelf keeps your cooler nearby and out of the way. This portable grill stand keeps your Cuisinart grill at the perfect height for cooking. The center unit is a sturdy stand for a portable grill, with a weight capacity of 48 pounds and a convenient bottom storage shelf. It includes 2 fold-out side tables, each weighing 20 pounds, providing 6 cup holders and 8 tool hooks. This table provides the perfect station to socialize and enjoy cold drinks while working the grill. Its entire unit gives you almost 5 feet of prep area, but it's about the size of a folding chair and has a side handle for easy transport when folded. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation Kitchen Table. The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation Kitchen Table features fold-out side tables for storage and hooks for trash bags or utensils. It's the perfect addition to your tailgating and camping essentials. Safely use a camp stove on the tabletop thanks to strong, heat-resistant aluminum design. Popular uses: tailgating prep station, campsite kitchen, picnic table, and cleaning site. But this multi-use table is perfect for every activity. All the comforts and ease of home wherever you go, such as 4 durable multi-use side tables, a secure storage rack, and a conveniently located paper towel holder. With the one-piece, no-hassle design, simply pop the table up to make your meal and slide it down to a portable, compact design thanks to slim fold technology. Easily transport the table with the built-in carry handle. Number 1. KingCamp Bamboo Folding Table. The KingCamp Bamboo Folding Table can be adjusted to 3 fixed heights: 17.7 inches, 20.5 inches and 25.6 inches according to your different needs. The end of each leg has an adjustment knob for easy leveling. This design greatly facilitates your outdoor life in various scenes. This bamboo folding table uses natural bamboo wood with bamboo texture and touch smoothly. The bamboo board is environmental and pretty durable, with waterproof coating and scratch resistance, anti-aging UV treatment, and assure it a longer service life. This adjustable height camping table weighs only 9.26 pounds. Aluminum brackets are less prone to rust than normal steel. And the weight of aluminum is lighter than steel. The aluminum frame is perfect for your outdoor activities. This folding camping table is suitable for 1 to 2 person use. The thickness of the bamboo board is 0.5 inches. This camping table with a square aluminum tube design increasing the weight capacity than the round one. Can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.